Hi everyone and welcome again to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make this explicit sword design. So I didn't necessarily make the design, I just changed the color of the sword and the red itself. So I'm going to be showing you how to do this easily within minutes. So first of all I'm going to set up a radio question, and if you need the answer to the video, put it in the comment section. Then if you don't know this, stay tuned and watch the videos for the answer to the video is going to be anywhere in the video. So without wasting much time, let us begin. So this is the resource we're going to be using. I'm going to put it in my description. I'm going to put the link in my description so that you'll be able to download it. And that's all. So go to your bitmaps, then go back to your bitmaps. So the same is always with the 300 dpi. So that's like an average resolution to use. It's not too big, it's not too small. Then go back to your bitmaps, then go to your quick trades. So you can see it. So we're going to ungroup it as usual. So now it has been ungrouped. So I'm just going to remove the stuff we don't need. So all this you can delete it, so it won't take much space. So we don't need all this stuff, we just need the sword itself. So you can see how easily this traces it very fast. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna highlight this. Let's give it a white color. So I'm just gonna give everything a white color. Then we'll give it a select this again, give it a white color too. Then this a white color. Same goes for this. So we're basically just gonna give all these parts white color. So the reason I'm selecting them one is because if I select them all together, it's gonna select the red part. So I'm just gonna hold my shift key and select everything. So that is an easy way than selecting it one. So just hold your shift key and select the ones you want to change the color, and give it a white color, and see how very nice and easy it is. Then I'm going to select the red part, hold my shift key again, select the other part, select this other part. I'm going to give it a dark red color. I love this dark red color, it's like very nice. So I'll do the same over here. So the same dark red color. So I didn't really do anything much here. I just simply traced it and changed the color within minutes, and it gave me the same design, but you can see it in a better way. So I'm just gonna replace this with this, so you can see how the design looks exactly like the original. So there is no flaw in it in using this method, but one thing is that this method doesn't work for every design. So but these ones are selected for you to work for them. So you can practice it on your own time using another design and see how it works. Alright, thank you guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.